Next, contact details. Let's make contact details. For contact details, we have very nice page, and it is called About Us. Okay, and on this page you can specify the name, email address, business location, address, telephone, website, and short description. What's good about this particular page is that whenever someone clicks on the email address, it will send him straight to send email address. When address is typed, it will give the Google map. Phone number, when it's typed, it will automatically dial it, and web address, it will take to a website. To customize it, simply click this arrow right here, company name is right here, so we don't want to touch this one, but we want to specify description. So let's make apps volcano. And again, if we just type in the text, we don't want to attach any function to it, like call or email. We just need the scheme to nothing, none. But if you like to make it like website, you would have to select the function HTTP, or if you like to make phone call, you would need to find telephone, share email. Let's just make email address. As you can see right here, the type is send mail. And obviously, to customize the background or text, you can either use those tools on the left, or to change the background, you will use page style right here. Save, done. Next feature, loyalty cards. Add new loyalty card will be right here. Loyalty card. Okay, right here specify the name, coupon image, secret code, number of stamps, like number of visits, where you give some kind of reward after, a stamp image, stamp place image, and description. To customize it step by step, please refer to our tutorials right here and just type loyalty card, and you will get the detailed step by step how to customize this particular page. Done. Next feature, feedback. We will use the same feature that we use schedule appointment. Feedback right here. And again, email address, your email address, email subject, create, you can specify the submit text, and in here whatever you like to ask your client, you can do the same way which we did. Schedule appointment. Just please remember to specify the type of the field. Click save when it's done. Feedback, loyalty card, contact details. Let's do now map with directions. To make map directions, please click add. There's few ways to do it, but let me show you probably the way I like to make it. So I just select business letter HTML, map direction, and in here let's put our location, I'm gonna delete this and I will use the function called Google Map link. Click here for directions. Right here we will input email address. What I will do, I will just copy the sample and insert. And a little bit below, what I can do, it's input map. Put in here picture, upload, choose, and you have map right here. And in here, when someone clicks it, the person will get the directions to your location. On the bottom you can type location, obviously, and some description. Location in this case was like this. And your page is done. And next feature, next page is newsletter sign up. To do it, add new page, choose any of the HTML page type. I'm gonna choose the first one. I'm gonna call it sign up, create, and from now what you need to do is sign up for one of the one of the services which allows you to create email campaign, sign up form. One of those providers is called mailchimp.com. It is mailchimp.com, or other one is Aweber, very popular. And what you want to do is create a sign up form using, let's say, Mailchimp. Then find the option where they will give you code, source code, to embed on your website. Okay, next step is just to copy this code. In this case it's right here, so I'm gonna select it, copy, go back here, and what you want to do now is swap from design to HTML, select everything, delete, paste the source code of your email form. Now it's very important to click save before you do anything, and now go back to design and you will see nice sign up form. Obviously you can input some kind of header image, just gonna use previous image, a little bit adjusting, and you have nice looking sign up form. Click save and done. Okay, and the last two pages are one touch call, one touch email. Those one, what we could do is just use the page called About Us, which is right here. And just put the email address right here and phone number right here. We could delete the other pages. This is one way of making one touch call, one touch email, but I will not use this page because I would like to, I'm gonna delete this one. Right, I would like to embed one touch call and one touch email somewhere in the tab 1. So because this will be the first screen which the user will see, so I like it, the one touch call, one touch email to be very easy to reach. So somewhere in here we're gonna implement this into the tab design. Okay, so that's all the pages which we like to implement into our application. As you can see, we added all of them right here, but nothing actually is displayed under tabs. This is because we have not linked them. We haven't assigned the pages to actual tabs. So for now, I'm gonna decide. Let's decide what kind of pages will go under which tab. So tab number 1, definitely I like to have those 4 pages, which is one touch call, one touch email, schedule appointment, and map with directions. Tab number 2, I like to have a page with all the contact details. Tab number 3, I like to have loyalty card, and tab number 4 will be all the other pages. So definitely to accommodate all the other pages under tab number 4, we will need some kind of menu, menu with all the pages displayed. Maybe let's start with tab number 2, which was, because that's going to be the easiest and the fastest. So tab number 2, we like to have this page called contact details. To do it, we're gonna do it very easy way. We will highlight tab number 2, hit delete, yes, select contact details, click the fourth small icon called rename selected page, and in here what you want to do is call it tab 2, rename, and automatically about contact details becoming tab number 2. So as you can see, under tab number 2 we have the page contact details. And now let's make tab number 3 loyalty card. So the same way, I'll highlight tab number 3, delete it, highlight loyalty card, click change name, rename the page, tab 3, rename, and our tab 3, now it's loyalty card. Now let's take care of tab number 4. In here, click content, and now we're looking for page which will display some kind of menu page. To do it, click convert page. Now change the display to see a little bit more about each feature, and let's scroll to the category with menu types, which is right here. And these are all the options which we have to choose from. Okay, let's see which one is nice looking for our template. I see this one would be good for our tab number 1. Probably for tab number 4, I'm gonna select this one. Okay. Header image is this one. I will change it to our image which we used before. As you can see, it's huge, too big. I would strongly recommend you not to use bigger image than the width of the screen. In this case, it's 320 pixels. The reason for it is that this image will take a lot of space, a lot of weight, and this is something which we don't want. Okay, now let's start assigning those buttons to our pages. First one, let's see what we have. About us. Okay, about us, I just type it here and link to page about us. Then what else we have? About us, check-in. Let's check-in. Check-in. Select check-in. Next one. Contact us. Next one is Facebook. I'm gonna add another one as we run out of the sample. Facebook, then there was feedback. Okay, another one, feedback gallery. Another one, map directions will be on tab number 1, so we don't want push notifications. Push notifications. One more. RSS feed. Maybe I will call it Bottomaz blog. Next one is schedule appointment, will be on tab number 1, services. Let's make services as this is important one. Let's put it a little bit higher. Let's put it higher, maybe on the even first place. To use it, just click the arrow up. Yeah, now it's the first one. Let me change this so small as contact us about. Okay, what else we have? Schedule point services. Share this up. Next page. Sign up. I call it newsletter. Next. Twitter. And I think the last one is YouTube. Okay, now please remember to click save, and then let's get rid of this blue background. To do it, just switch from design to HTML. As you can see here, background color and number. What we want to do is just highlight it, click save, highlight it and delete, click save, go back to design, and our tab number 4, it's done. So again, save and done. Obviously we can use other menus like in here. If you decide to change it, all you need to do is just click convert, and that's it, done. And our tab number 4, it's done. Tab number 3, it's done. tab number 2 is done. All left is tab number 1. This is the pages which we need. One touch call, one touch email, which in our case will be contact us form, schedule appointment, and map with directions. To implement those pages, there could be two approaches. First one is to use the menu the same way which we did tab number 4. If you choose to go with this way, again, all you need to do is just choose the menu which you like, right? And the other option, the other way to customize tab number 1 is to have your background image uploaded and customize the buttons according the image. Let's say your client will say, I like to have I don't know, flowers in here with some leaves, and leaves will be the buttons. So in this case you would use Photoshop or other program to make the background, then upload it here and create buttons. So I will show you how to do it next, but first let's go with the customization option using our menus. So let's just select the menu with slideshow right here, as this would make nice tab 1. Okay, so what we can do in here, obviously change the header image, which is this one. Footer, it's not very visible, but it is here. You can get rid of all of those if you like by selecting delete, select delete, click save, and all it's left is slideshow and buttons. The buttons which we will use to connect to our pages, which is one touch call, one touch email, schedule appointment, and map and directions. To customize the slideshow, very easy, using this option right here and image right here. First you select the image 1 and then go to your library by clicking those 3 dots. Select the image you like. Click save. And we have this in slideshow. Please, one more time I will mention it, but it's very important to use the images which are optimized for devices in terms of the size and the dimensions. And you would do the same with picture number 2, 3, 4, 5. You can add more by clicking this plus or delete them or change the order of display. Okay, now let's implement our call us feature. Select first item in the menu. We will call it call us. We can change the icon right here by going to our library called resources manager. You can either upload your own icon or choose one of our stock images. Let's see if we have some kind of fun right here. Add, choose, and we have font icon right here. Okay, now as you remember, what we used to do is just to connect to the page. In this case, we will not do it because there is no option in here to dial automatically. To do one touch call, we need to change to the HTML view, right? And in here you see our pages. Those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, the call us was assigned to about us, but this is not what we want. We want call us to dial the number. To do it, just locate the first call us and just slide a little bit towards right, and you will see that the first one is connected to about us, something which we don't want. All you have to do is just select it, delete, and type tel, which is TEL, colon, and your phone number. Just gonna put 12349, click save, and change the design, and that's it. Now when you preview this application on our Apps Volcano previewer, you will see that if you type it, it will call automatically the number which we type. Okay, next page, email us. Let's see if we can find some icon to email. Okay, let's use this pen. Right, and to email us, we have two options. First one is to connect to the page, which is called Contact Us, because what it will do, it will display the contact form. Or you can do the same way what we did with Call Us and go to HTML, find the second page. At the moment is as well connect to About Us. So if you like to use native, in this case iPhone feature to send email, all you need to do is just delete the About Us HTML, and then in this place just type send mail colon slash double slash and your email address. So I'm just gonna copy it, go to the spot where we left and paste it. So what I just pasted, send mail colon slash double slash your email, and please remember to click save. Go back to design, and we have call us, email us, and now let's make schedule appointment. Right, let's connect to our page, schedule appointment. Maybe let's see if we have some kind of nice icon for it. Schedule appointment. Oh, let's use this one. Okay, what else we have here? Schedule appointment, map with directions. Select directions and just select the page, map with directions. Let's see if we have some icon. Oh, let's use this one. Okay, the last the fifth page, we don't need it, so we're just gonna select it and minus, and that's pretty much it. That's please remember obviously to click save, and that's pretty much it. So this was the first way of customizing the tab number 1, which was to use one of our menus. Second way to do it is to upload image and then create buttons around the image. And this is the way which I'll show you now. Let's select tab number 1, click content, convert, select any of the HTML page type. I'm gonna use just blank. Now we need to upload our image. Background image, which I just prepared. Okay, so this is a background, and as you can see, I put the pages which we have created, but now I just need to create buttons and connect them, link those buttons to pages. To do it, please first click save to save the image, then click add edit layer elements. Right, click button, grab and drag into place, adjust by dragging the corners. Then what we need to do is just get rid of the background right here. So I'm gonna just select it, delete. I like to get rid of the border. The same, select, save. And now just for our reference, let's link this page to any of the pages. Let's say check in. And what we will do later, we will edit it and in HTML mode and replace check-in HTML with phone number, as this is call us button. So I'm gonna save it, then another button, again drag into place, resize the button to fit the design. Again, I'm gonna delete background color, delete border, and for our reference I'm just gonna call it contact us, and in here I'm gonna call it email, and this one was call us. Okay, and the same the same you would do with services. Oh, let's do appointment. Right. Get rid of the background border. And in this case, we will link it to the page called schedule appointment. Save. And that's pretty much it. You do the same with services, gallery. If you like to put more button, you just repeat it. Now let's just replace call us with phone number. Let's just switch to HTML mode. As we can see, the button call us is right here. I'm just gonna slide towards right, looking for page called okay. For some reason it didn't save as check-in. As you can see, there is no pages, which is not problem because anyway we were about to remove it. So all we need is TEL colon and phone number. Just gonna put 1 2 3 4 9. And now if you like to use email function from your device, from your phone, we need to replace the page contact us with send mail. Just gonna copy and paste it. So what I just pasted is send mail colon / an email address. Please remember to click save, go back to design, and right now we have one touch call, one touch email, and services. Go to service page, gallery, go to galleries, appointment, go to appointment. Save, done. And our tab is finished. There's few things which left to be done, like as you can see that we don't have any icons and on the tabs, and the names should be a little bit different. So to do it, simply go to navigation settings, and now let's find some icon for home. This is the icons which we give you to use freely for your apps. Let's select any of them. That's this one. Choose. We call it home, that's fine. The second was contact details. For it, maybe some kind of phone. Next one was loyalty card. That's the wallet. And the fourth one was more, which opens other menu with all the pages. This one I'm going to delete because as we have only 4 tabs. Remember to click save pages, save changes before you click done. done, and as you can see, we have all nice icons and custom page. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. The other way to customize the page would be to use Dreamweaver or any other software, HTML software, then upload it to Resource Manager, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in next tutorial.